This is a traditional savory stew inspired by the rich flavors of Mali in West Africa. Deep, hearty, and comforting. Begin by preparing all the vegetables. Slice the onions, mince the garlic, dice the tomatoes, and cut
of nolis. Heat oil in a heavy pot over medium-high heat. Add the beef pieces and allow them to brown deepest. Add the chopped onions and garlic to the pot. Stir gently and allow them to soften and release their aroma. Stir in tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, and chili pepper for warmth. Let the mixture cook until it thickens slightly and the oil slowly. Add the vegetables and enough water to cover the ingredients. Bring the stew to a gentle boilix. Mix peanut butter with a little warm broth until smooth, then stir it into the stew. This traditional sauce. Allow the stew to cook until the meat is fork tender and the sauce becomes thick and velvety. The risotto. Serve the Mali savory meat stew hot, alongside rice or fresh bread.